Why is it that the thing all of us do every day the most, we hardly ever practice to improve at all? I'm talking about speaking, using the human voice, the main tool we have to connect with others, the miracle of human evolution where language, emotion, vocal tone and subtle nuances all combine into what can be powerful streams of communication. As we grow up, many people slip into a default mode of basic, mumbly need to have speech just to get by in life and don't realize that with some practice with special voice exercises, their voice could be massively improved. With regular practice of anything, improvement becomes automatic and permanent. Top athletes, musicians, and performers of all kinds know this to be true. So, would you like to improve your voice? Now, I'm a professional voice actor, so in my world and the world of my fellow voiceovers and stage actors, we have to practice voice training and do decent voice warm-ups before every recording session. But have you thought about how voice training could improve your life, even if you're not using your voice to earn an income? Imagine boosting your vocal authority in the workplace to gain respect, or to sound more confident and with a richer, more interesting voice when making new friends. What about improving the clarity of your voice so you're understood better by others, an important aspect, especially if English is not your first language? So that's why Voiceover Masterclass has produced a comprehensive video-based training course to take you step by step on a journey to improve your voice for everyday life. You'll understand how the human voice is produced and why maybe your voice is not as strong or as clear as it should be, or has a harsh tone or nasality that needs to be addressed. The course has 70 exercises to help you improve your voice, and unlike voice training books where you have to figure out exactly what to do, our videos are interactive so you can easily follow what we're doing with clear explanations. You don't have to go through life putting up with a voice that is weak, squeaky, annoying, mumbly or nasal. Now is the opportunity to do something about it. Our 70 voice exercises course will help you increase the resonance, the attractiveness, and the clarity of your speaking voice, covering subjects such as breathing, depth of voice, nasality reduction, resonance, advice for the softly spoken, controlling volume, and saying vowels and diphthongs clearly so you'll never have to repeat yourself again. We even cover when to use emphasis words and how to improve a monotone voice, plus a bonus section including loads of tips to look after your voice, especially if you use it daily in your work and it gets sore often. At last, you'll be able to improve your voice to help you gain more respect and interest from others and help you gain confidence to enjoy life more. Click the link below the video to sample some free chapters, or please visit voiceovermasterclass.com. Hey, thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below or watch the video once more, just in case there's something you've missed. Now over to my left, you can continue watching. Just click the video you'd like to watch next. And please click the thumbs up icon to let me know if you've enjoyed this video and found it informative. And if you've not done so already, remember to subscribe and click that bell icon so you don't miss any of my new videos.